Hey, Zed here, and today I'm diving into how to upload growing files with a simple massive automation. With this feature, you can seamlessly upload a file while it's being written to a disk, like video fresh from a live camera feed. It's perfect for remote and on-site teams who need to hustle and share raw media right after a live broadcast. Here's how it works. MASV initiates an upload for your growing file and monitors for any new data. As new data streams in, MASV adds it to the upload, causing the file to grow in size. Once the data stream ends, MASV completes the upload. First, you need the MASV Desktop app. You'll find the download link in the video description. Head to Automations. Here you'll spot a lineup of watch folder automations. A watch folder is a folder on your computer that you assign to automate uploads and downloads on your behalf. Important note, your growing file should sit individually inside this watch folder, not inside a subfolder. To upload a growing file, hit Send, fill in the info like name, and pick your desired folder. Scroll down to Send Growing Files. Now click Continue or dive into Advanced Settings, which is highly recommended. In Advanced Settings, you get two options. The first is Set Wait Time. This determines how long the watch folder waits for new data before completing a growing upload. For instance, if no new data is detected after 10 seconds, MASV completes the upload. The second, Send Specific Files. This is where you specify the file container for your growing uploads, handy for multiple files in a watch folder. MASV supports popular growing file containers like MXF and MOV. Click Continue to add email recipients, a password, and set the file expiration. Hit Create and you're ready to go. And just like that, your growing file automation is up and running. Similarly, you can choose to upload to a MASV portal instead of an email recipient. Just pick Send to Portal from the automation screen. A portal can connect to cloud storage like an S3 bucket for easy storage of a growing file. The only thing left to do is add a growing file. I'll record this MXF file into my chosen watch folder, and voila, the upload has started. If the progress bar isn't moving, it's because the file needs to grow to at least 100 megabytes. Rest assured, the automation is working. It just needs to pass a specific threshold to show up on the dashboard. Speaking of the progress bar, telling a regular upload from a growing one is easy. Regular is green, while growing is blue with stripes. And look for a camera icon beside any growing upload. MASV's growing file support is a must-have tool for broadcasters running live operations in the cloud. Our rapid transfer speeds will let your team finalize their work on site or in a virtual studio more quickly. And our watch folder automation makes sharing growing assets easy without technical support. Try our growing files feature today and let us know what you think. If you're new to MASV, sign up for free using the link in the description down below. Once again, I'm Zed, and thanks for watching.